Hello from Slovenia again. It's a bloom time. So I ordered from Saskia Smith some Prism pour. I told you already about that. So today I will use hot orchid mixed with primary elements Payne's Gray, and I get this gorgeous dark violet color. See, it's just gorgeous. And I have Egyptian coin. This is gold, rich gold color. I don't know the consistency for the blooms, so I improvise again. And I have this lucky apple primary elements. Lucky apple and wild blueberry. This is this gorgeous color. Probably my paints are too thick, I don't know. And I will use this MDF canvas board, kind of, how can I say, and I will just add a little of my white paint here. I saw this on Karen's channel, from Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, if you don't know her. Okay, and my pillow paint is just Bessner titanium white mixed with my pouring medium, so I don't know, and I have always problems with the thickness and everything. Maybe I should do a Shelly art class, but it's fun to experiment, and I don't know if I have enough paint. This is the problem for me too, because I never know how much paint I have to add. Oh, and when I order from Saskia Smith this primary elements, I think wildflower set or whatever, I get this bottle of Aussie floetrol. So I will use just white 3:1 ratio mixture for cell activator. I don't know, maybe this is too thick. I don't know. Let's see what will happen. So I will start with this lucky apple. This is 8-inch round, so I don't know neither how much paint I should add. So obviously don't know much, but I will try anyway. Maybe I can get something nice. And this blue and my violet mixture, and I will end up with gold. I saw some people that just drizzling paint on, not do puddles, so let's try that. And Egyptian coin. Okay, and my cell activator. I don't know if I should drizzle this around too, but now it is what it is. and I will blow this. And as usual, I did terrible job with this blowing part. But I really like the colors, so let's spin this. Oops, I have to remove this. And of course, because I did such a terrible job with blowing, I didn't get anything nice. I saw Karen do that, so I will do that too. I will just add paint to the middle again. I don't know if I should. Let's do just puddle of this green. And of course the blue. I think that my paint is too thick, I don't know. And this beautiful violet. And gold. And cell activator. What a mess. And now I probably add too much cell activator. Let's drag this because it just blip. obviously way too much paint too. As I said, I always have issues. Let's try to tilt this a little bit, but this gold is just gorgeous. Maybe I should do a swipe with the cell activator. Maybe I will have more luck, because I really don't do this part with blowing out paint good, and I'm not good at hair dryer neither, so I really don't know. Some weird thing here, some air bubble here. So I will put this here. And take you for a close-up. Just a second. Here it is. See? Beautiful colors with not so good lacing, because I just don't do this properly, obviously, but I kind of like it because it has some interesting and beautiful details, and I can't show you the shimmer probably. It's just gorgeous shimmer from these primary elements and Prism pour paints. Definitely try to do a swipe and see what will happen. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.